Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here. We are at the west side of San Antonio. We just acquired a property for $65,000 a couple weeks back. We're doing a light remodel on this one, guys. Not too much. We're not tearing down any walls. We're not making any additions. $65,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath currently. We've painted the exterior. We've already done some work on the foundation. We're going to do some texture and paint on the inside, and we're done. Let me show you what we have. We're somewhere in the area of 110, 120. Guys, I like these projects because it makes me feel good that we can get in here, work on it, and put an affordable home back on market. Put something that we can put to or sell to the public at about 110, 120, where you have a mortgage payment that's going to be somewhere in the area of about $1,000, $1,100. It's not all about making a grand profit. If we can get in here, do some light work, remodel it, do some paint, give the public a good affordable product, it's a win-win for everybody. So as you can see here, they're already working into it, turning into texture, paint. We're not doing anything to the kitchen. Cabinets are in good shape. The laundry utility room. So it's a smaller house, West San Antonio. We're right off of General McMullen. We're going to do complete new flooring. We're going with planking and carpet. We're going to replace the toilets. So it's going to be the stuff that people want to see. We're going to do a refinish on the baths. But once this is all said and done, again, 120, 110, whatever the market brings us, we're putting it right back out there. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got my guys working in here now, as you can see. This is about a 3-week project, okay? We want to be in, we want to be out, put it on market, and go on to the next one. If this is the kind of business you want to get in, we're looking for investors. We're looking for people to come in and work with us. Andy Patlan, 15 years experience. I want to sell you a home. I want to help you get into that flip business. Call me, Alsa Residential, Citywide Realty, 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.